Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very helpful for all of you because there is a good news for 2022 batch. TCS team is still sending offer letter. Okay, so in this video, I am just telling about all the process that is related to offer letter and queries and how you can know and how to know you are selected or rejected in the TCS interview. Okay, so one candidate just send me and complete information that is related to offer letter, like in which date he candidate based on the next step portal, and what is interview date and what is offer letter date. Okay, so I will be show with all proofs and offer letter in 28 days after interview. So in this video we discuss about the complete information. So let's start the video. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, this is the next step portal screenshot. As you can see on my screen, that candidate based on the 3/10/2021 means 3 October. Okay, means on the 3 October, the candidate based on the TCS next step portal that is related to interview registration process. Okay, and after that on the 8th October, okay, on the 8th October, he just got the TCS interview invite. Okay, that is related like greetings from TCS Campus Talent Acquisition Group. We are happy to invite you for an interview with TCS for Ninja profile. Below are the details regarding your interview process, and this is the process. Okay, and what are the some mandatory documents that I already mentioned in the mail. Okay, and after that on the 7th of October, means on the 7th of November, he just got the offer letter from the TCS team. Dear candidate, greetings from TCS. Your offer letter has been sent over the TCS Next Step portal. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, that is activities just related to offer letter and generated on the 7/11/2021. Means a total 28 days after interview. Means the interview is on the 9th October and the offer letter is just got on the 7th November. Okay, so one important, there is very good platform that known as Relevel by Unacademy. You can get your dream job in 15 days. India's finest company trust Relevel to hire. You can claim your profile by taking this test. 200 plus leading company trust Relevel like Cred, Misho, Urban Pro, upGrad, Monange, and there are some candidates, or there are so many candidates that they score very good in the some particular test. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, you can win exciting prizes including a MacBook, iPhone and Apple Watch. Okay, so how do the Relevel test work? Like first you have to register for test, you have to take the test, interview with employer, accept the offer. India's finest company hire on Relevel, like over 300 job opportunities from more than 50 company with CTC up to 15 LPA. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, you have to just click on get hired, and there are three type of tests: business, front end and back end. And there are two type of new test: business analytics and data analytics. In this some of the top MNCs are hire candidates, and there are packages also good. You have to just analysis about your interview. Like first of all, they will check overall performance in interview, like when they just take your TR, MR and HR interview. Okay, so how was the performance according to you? You can just take the as a preference, like what are the some questions asked and what you answer for that question. Okay, so they will check interview performance as well as the academic performance also. Okay, because they check all the document verification. If your document verification round is completed in the TCS interview process, okay, so they will check all the documents also. Okay, and if you just got the offer letter without the document verification, there is no need to worry, they will check at later steps. So one important point, if your interview is good, means if you perform very well in the interview, like you just answer all the questions that they just ask to you, and your performance is also good, so there are chances of offer letter. Okay, if they just if your option is showing like candidate based and there is still no interview mail, so wait for some more days, because TCS team ongoing its interview process, and surely they will send you an interview invite to you. Okay, so there are some important queries that is related to offer letter. Okay, so this is the complete queries as you can see on my screen, that is related like if your performance is very good, okay, so you can just wait for some days for your offer letter, because so many candidates just send me many messages that is related to offer letter, that they just got the offer letter in 21 days, 28 days, okay, 25 days, 26 days. Okay, so it will be totally depend on the TCS team when they will send you offer letter, okay, because they will check overall criteria as well as overall performance. So I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.